The recent surge in the popularity of camping and overlanding, as well as rising inflation, have played a dirty trick on people who just want to take up this hobby, since prices for basic outdoor gear are reaching critical levels. Luckily, there are still some good value offerings that we'd like to cover in today's video. Let's get started. Mech Bull Desert Lion. We all know that prices for well-equipped truck campers can run in the millions, but a company from China wants to disrupt the industry by bringing the best value offering. The Desert Lion camper is sold on a popular Chinese marketplace, so additional shipping and import duties need to be accounted for. However, this won't stop true bargain hunters. The build starts with an SAIC T90 truck with a 136-inch wheelbase, 8.6 inches of ground clearance, and a powertrain capable of pushing out 214 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The truck bed is replaced with a metal frame underneath an aluminum shell. From the available images, the interior comforts include a double bed, a folding bunk bed, a modular galley block, a wet bath, an electric cooktop, and lots of interior lighting. Hitchhiker camper. The Pennsylvania-based Tuska Outdoors has developed an affordable and versatile camping solution that can be filled on a variety of platforms, including a toy hauler, a 5x8 utility trailer, and a truck bed. The camper pod is offered with either a 79 or 89-inch length, weighs just 190 pounds, and is 4 seasons ready owing to high-quality insulation materials. The minimalist interior has room for 2 people and features such necessities as integrated vents, screened RV sliding windows, an electric port, and carpeted flooring. This bare-bones solution can be filled with your favorite gear and accessories. The company is currently running a promotion that adds a roof rack or a solar panel setup for free with every purchase of a Hitchhiker camper. Trakka Trakkit. Famous for their outback-ready camper vans, the Australian Trakka made a camping kit with a smart modular structure. The selection starts with 3 mount options: van, mobile, and DIY. Next, buyers pick the modules to be stacked on the chosen mount. These include a water module with 2 pressurized 2.9-gallon tanks, a sink and faucet, a Dometic CFX fridge with an attachment, and a cooking module which features an induction cooktop, some cabinets, a drawer, plus an LED bar. There are also 2 storage systems and a 1,440 watt-hour power station with an optional 420-watt solar panel. The only thing that Trakkit does not have is a sleeping platform. Topo toppers Mesa. Coming from Ventura, California, the company has just announced their most affordable and freshest offering called the Mesa. This wedge-style topper weighs 250 pounds and could be fitted to mid- or full-size trucks to accommodate 2 adults plus a child or a dog. This topper has a formed aluminum body with powder coating, a single-panel roof, keyed tailgate, and acrylic windows. The sleeping platform has 52 by 80 inches dimensions with a 2-inch high-density mattress, conveniently concealed by a WeatherMax 80 FR tent. You can travel to Cali to get your Mesa installed on a pickup, but the wait is longer and there appears to be a more hassle-free way to get your Mesa. If you order a flat pack, after 3 months of lead time, the camper will be placed on a pallet and shipped in 5 major components that are easily assembled at home. All it takes is bolting 4 lower panels together and installing an RTT on top. Oru Designs Bruin. After the first batch of Bruins has been successfully delivered to customers, Oru Designs gears up for the second production run with slight exterior adjustments like rectangular body corners. Bruin proves a true 4-season experience with its bespoke hybrid hardwall design. The pop-up tent is made of aluminum composite walls on all sides for proper insulation and is complemented with durable fabric on corners to enable seamless folding motion. The pop-up area is secured with 4 steel latches, and the entire deployment process will take 15 seconds. The base weekender trim comes with the bare essentials like a queen-size sleeping platform, a rear access door, acrylic windows, and a polymer honeycomb ceiling, and is oriented towards customers who prefer to fill the interior on their own. The mid-tier Adventurer and top-tier Pro arrive as complete packages, with even more windows, cool rear barn doors, and a max air fan. As each Bruin is custom-built for every truck bed, Oru Designs offers a long list of optional goodies including double insulation, a solar panel port, a roof rack, and a third brake light. Air Nest by Rise Outdoor. An inflatable construction is probably the most convenient and quick way to pitch a tent. The Canada-based Rise Outdoor has developed an inflatable air nest that comprises a flamboyant tent with rib cage-like supports and a puncture-resistant wall-to-wall mattress. It can be inflated with an included electric pump in a mere 3 minutes. Besides performing its main duties, the battery of the multifunctional pump can charge your gadgets. The whole setup is rather light and weighs about 25 pounds. While most of the tent's interior is taken up by a mattress, its construction also accommodates mesh-covered entryways, an enclosed vestibule, and 3 wall-integrated storage pouches. Finally, the construction is buoyant in case you'd like to enjoy the queen-size mattress while being surrounded by water. Grumpy Bear Campers Arctos Sport. This year, Grumpy Bear Campers Company expands its lineup with a new slide-in model with 4-season capabilities. This lightweight model tips the scales at 1,102 pounds, has a fiberglass shell, dual-pane tinted side windows, and comes with ratchet tie-downs for hassle-free mounting. The standard set of features includes a convertible bed with 2-inch thick cushions, laminated cabinets, a table base, a 5-gallon porta-potty, a 16,000 BTU furnace, a 10-speed roof vent, and a 30-amp electrical converter. The list of optional equipment includes a Dometic cooler with a 14-gallon capacity, a roof-mounted air conditioner, a propane tank, and a lithium-ion backup battery. Finally, the brand also offers a DIY package that gives you an empty camper base that can be filled with your own interior components. Fubble Camper Kit. This all-in-one kit was developed by an aspiring Tesla traveler who accounted for all design peculiarities of the Model Y. Once assembled from 31 precision-cut and pre-drilled plywood pieces, the Fubble features 2 lidded boxes and 2 slide-out drawers. The latter are located at the rear of the trunk and extend into a mini kitchen with a pop-up sink and a pull-out compartment, in case a third-party gas or electric cooktop is needed. In its typical configuration, the 4 boxes form a bed platform. And the best part is that the drawers remain functional and accessible even after you put a mattress on top. Scout Campers Tuktut. Scout Campers, a Washington state-based maker of hardshell campers with minimalist designs, has recently unveiled a new model named the Tuktut. This slide-in model with a ratchet tie-down system weighs just 634 pounds, has enough room for 2 people, and is suitable for most modern mid-size pickup trucks. The Tuktut is based on an aluminum exoskeleton frame, covered with composite structural panels to provide long-lasting protection all year round. The model was built in collaboration with Goose Gear, a well-known provider of modular storage solutions, so you can add or remove the gear depending on your needs. In the base configuration, you get windows with a screen and a solar reflective shade, a bed with outdoor performance fabric, a fire extinguisher, a smoke detector, and tons of room for additional modules by Goose Gear. Scout Campers also offers such optional features such as a 500-watt dual-plug inverter, a slide-out bunk, a galley cabinet with sink, and a Dometic fridge. Van Lab. The California-based Van Lab has crafted a plug-and-play solution that transforms a mid-size SUV into a ready-to-adventure mini camper. This kit is built with 9-ply, half-inch thick birch plywood, and it consists of 2 slide-out lockable drawers, a central box for a 1 cubic foot fridge, and 2 removable panels that can be used as cooking surfaces or tables. If you plan to spend the night, the kit can be expanded with a sleeper platform, which creates a flat area 75 inches long by 51 inches wide. The total weight of this box reaches 104 pounds, while the kitchen alone is 66 pounds. How did you like today's lineup? Would you spend your hard-earned money to feel more comfortable during your outdoor getaways? Share your thoughts in the comments and check out our previous videos on the screen. See you next time!